Hello everyone, it's me, it's Random IV. Today we're gonna play some Sniper on sawmill. So yeah, it's not the best sniper mob I think, but yeah, it's fine. I ain't the best sniper as well, so yeah, gotta be fine. So let's go down here and try to kill them in their backs, snipe them in their backs. Oof. Oh, that was so close. That was. Ouch. I'm gonna chop you into pieces. Oh, okay. Oh, he was almost dead. So, Machina. Well, it's. Yeah, no. No, just no. Normal sniper is the best one. Like, I don't get everyone using weird items and stuff. Like, Jarati. No, I understand Jarati, but. Like, a lot of items are like not even good, and people use them. So I don't really understand that, but you know, gotta make your own choices. Like, or I don't get people who say, "Oh, you're a tryhard." Like, yeah, the fuck? It ain't a conga line. Fuck off, you know. Let's try and get some snipes. I hit him, but it's not kill. Yeah, spy. I'm gonna make a gameplay of spy as well on sawmill. I think just be next round, and I hope I get some kills over there. It's really easy in free-to-play servers actually, but yeah, just gotta have a little bit of luck and a little bit of skills, you know. That's all you need for spy. I think like one of the best loadouts. People walking into that. Oh my goodness! How? Oh, I don't understand it. But my favorite loadout for spy is the one with Dead Ringer and Spicicle. That's it called. Because if you're getting hit, you can use here. If you're hit, you're getting hit. You can use the Dead Ringer. But if a pyro hits you for like a moment, and then you use the Dead Ringer, it's like you're immune to. Oh my god! How did I not hit that? How did I not hit that? I don't understand it. Oh my goodness! How? Well, okay. Dead Ringer and Spicicle, because if the pyro hits you, you pull out your Dead Ringer and your Spicicle. You're immune to fire. So it's an awesome combination, and it's in my opinion it's really good. It's like one of the only loadouts I think. Custom weapons is a really good combination. But yeah. So I think we're gonna take a sniper spot over here. Headshot. So yeah, let's try and make some more headshots, because if I just get one in this clip, it would be horrible. And another one. Just walk right into it. Oh my goodness. I don't understand the meaning of life. If you just walk into the thing, just, what the fuck? You know, yeah, it could accidentally happen, but no. Oof, you're almost dead, bro. Why does he pull out that fucking thing? He puts out of this quirky or whatever it's called. Oh, I gotta hit him. I gotta hit him. What the? Okay, I don't understand it anymore. I just don't. So, well, at least I got some headshots, you know. Not the best gameplay, but I hope you guys still enjoy it. Because, yeah, I'm putting effort in it. I like it really much to make videos, but also to, I hope you guys enjoy it too, because that will be awesome. I hope I get some more subscribers than 10 or something.
Mission ends in 60 seconds.
Yeah, you're totally not a spy, bro. Fuck off. Jeez. How super can you be? Oh, no, I'm probably not a spy. Whilst I'm fucking walking next to you undisguised. Ouch. Oh, that was a nice arrow. So, ooh, sun on a stick. It would be awesome. It does like
Mission ends in
plus
30
100% damage to people on fire. If you could make like a duo with a pyro, or if it just would have ignite people, that would be cool. I saw that.
Mission ends in 10 seconds.
You dead, bro. Yes, it's a really kill. 3, 2, 1. Overtime. Oh, victory. Nice. Me like victories. He won't. Yeah, just do that. Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. My short little gameplay with Sniper. And see you guys later with a spy video.